Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be showing you guys clips of me at the salon as I get a sew-in. So if you're interested in this video, then please stay tuned. So at the point of this video, I had in about 3-week-old curl wands in my hair. So if you haven't checked out that video, I did a whole wash day routine, and I showed me curl wanding my hair. So at this point, my hairstylist, she's just going through my hair and kind of like breaking up like that, kind of like that hard cast that was over my hair, because I had used like the Gots to Be glue spray on my hair when I was curl wanding it. So she just kind of like breaking up that cast that's over my hair, as well as like pulling apart the curls before she went into washing my hair. So all she did at this point was just wet my hair, and she's getting ready to section my hair off and shampoo my hair in sections. So she's starting off in the back, and then she works her way up to the front of my hair. And then after she washed my hair with a clarifying shampoo, then she's going to be applying conditioner, and then I'm going to sit under a steamer for about 30 minutes. So after applying the conditioner to my hair, she's just going to put my hair into this steaming machine. I'm not sure the exact like name of this machine, but yeah, she's just gonna allow my hair to steam for about 30 minutes. And when it comes to using a steamer on your hair, it helps to open up your hair cuticles. It leads to better absorption of the conditioner. It also helps to restore moisture back into your hair, and it also prevents your hair from drying. So after I was done with the steaming machine, my hairstylist went ahead and began to detangle my hair before washing out the conditioner. So when she was done detangling my hair, we washed out the conditioner, and then she began to blow dry my hair to prep my hair for the braiding process. So now at this point, my hair is blow dried, and she went ahead and sectioned off the hair that I want left out, and I'm going to be getting a middle part. So before she begins braiding my hair, she's going to be applying some hair butter all over my hair. And the hair butter that she's using is my new hair butter that's a part of my hair care line. So if you guys don't know already, I have a hair care line by the name of Creole Lily, and we are coming out with some new products. And one of those new products is our hair care butter, and it is called the Cassia Mango Stimulating Hair Growth Butter. So this butter helps with strengthening your hair. It prevents hair loss, stimulates hair growth, it prevents hair breakage, it helps with length retention, and it also helps with preventing split ends. So since my hair is going to be in a protective style, and it's also going to be wintertime, this butter is great for protecting my hair from dryness as well as breakage. So for those who are familiar with or who have purchased my Ayurveda hair growth butter, essentially this is a new and improved version of that butter. So we've added new herbs. You'll also see some familiar herbs in that butter as well. We've also added more oils, and we've essentially just improved the formula. So if you really like the Ayurveda hair growth butter, then I would suggest trying out the Cassia Mango Stimulating Hair Butter, and stay tuned for when the dates of when everything is going to be dropping. So you can sign up for our email list on our website, or you can follow us on Instagram at Creole Lily, so that way you can get updates on when our new products are dropping. So now the hairstylist is braiding my hair, and before she began to braid my hair, she let me know that she won't be braiding my hair too tight, which is a very good thing. So anytime you're getting your hair braided, you need to make sure that the person that is braiding your hair is not braiding your hair too tight, because while it is easy to think that the tighter your braids are, the longer the style is going to last, but too tight braids can actually cause damage to your hair. The tension can take a toll on your scalp and strands, cause hair breakage, and also cause hair shedding, and even lead to damage or hair loss. Also, when your braids are too tight, it can lead to traction alopecia. So you definitely want to let the person know that's braiding your hair that the braids are too tight and that you would like for them to loosen up your braids. So after she finished braiding my hair, she went ahead and applied my hair growth oil all over my scalp. So this hair growth oil is the Henna Rosemary Nourishing Scalp and Hair Oil. So if you guys are familiar with or have purchased my Henna hair growth oil, this is the new and improved version of that. So this hair oil will help to promote hair growth. It will help to improve follicle health. It will also help to reduce hair fall, and it will also help to prevent and correct hair thinning, and it combats hair damage as well as split ends. So this oil contains a lot more herbs that will help to improve the overall health of your hair. So it will help to stimulate hair growth as well as help your hair to become stronger and a lot more healthy. That is something that my hairstylist did say that she noticed about my hair. She said that my hair gotten thicker as well as stronger from the last time she seen me, as well as my hair gotten longer. I'm not making that up. She literally did say that. So that is something to look forward to when purchasing this hair oil. So now she is sewing the tracks onto my braids. During this phase, you also want to make sure that the tracks are not too tight, because that can cause damage as well. So after she finished sewing in the tracks, I just had her straighten out the weave as well as my leave out. And I kind of wanted to go for a more kind of like a silk press type of look. So that's how I wanted to wear my hair for now. I plan on styling it more later on, but that's just how I wanted it to look for now. And when I got home, this is how the sew-in looked. I don't know how long I plan on keeping the sew-in in for now, but yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to sign up for our email list to be notified of when our new products are dropping. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.